Good day, my name is PJ Pretorius and this is my final project for DPJ391U. We have our post-career project proposal, block diagram, flow diagram, schematics, PCB and a breadboard prototype. Basically the function is a controller with RF module, LEDs, LCD screen, analog stick, fans, battery pack, and then Arduino and interface board. The Arduino Mega will send over serial bus a few commands that will basically run the station, which also consists of RF module, Arduino Mega, interface board, encoder for one of the stepper drive motors, ultrasonic sensors and limit switches. Flow diagram basically is just layout of the commands and then the station that receives them, what is the functions and activities. Schematics, basic schematic of Arduino, and then also a relay circuit which the Arduino switch. PCB, controller PCB front and rear, and then also a breadboard prototype. Some pictures of the prototype that we have. Yes, let me just give you a closer look. Project proposal, my diagrams, okay. Without further ado, this is the controller with LCD screen, 16:2, analog with button, power button, a fan, a battery pack, and then the Arduino interface board is inside. So if we turn it on, start up, please wait, and then it will give the, just check if I can get that. Battery level is 99%, and then also this has a Raspberry Pi in, but that's not relevant for this. And then we have a power box there just to regulate the power coming into the station control box. We have two drives, the interface board, the regulator circuit, RF module, Arduino Mega, which I modified a little bit, and then also a mode switch, and then that's our relay circuit. Okay, and then that will be operating the station here. With all the ultrasonic sensors at the bottom, limit switches, stepper motors, gearbox, and then the other one is basically inside here with the encoder on. There's the wires coming out, and then yes, so I'm gonna switch it on. So if I switch it on, it will automatically turn and calculate its mid position. There's also, see the limit switch on this side, and then there's another one on the other side, so it will calculate its 0 position, turn back, and then get the maximum value of the encoder, and then calculate the mid position and stop there. And then there's 7 ultrasonic sensors around for the automatic detection, and then there's a laser on as well, a laser pointer, and that is the mechanical part of the project. Okay, so it stopped in the mid position. So if I take my controller now and I push the stick up, it will tilt up. If I must just get this correct. If I push down, it will go down. If I push left, it will go left. If I push right, it will go right. And then also if I push 45 degrees up, it will move 45 degrees up. So basically X and Y direction simultaneously, and the same down. Left again, and then it has a trigger function if you press the button in. Hopefully on the box you'll see there's a relay. I'm just gonna close the box slightly like that. So if I push the button in, that will indicate the firing solenoid. Okay, so another nice function of this box is that the sensor, if I flick the mode switch, it will automatically detect and then move in that direction of where you stand. So if I move to the other side, it will then automatically move to this side, and with each other sensor as well. Okay, while it is moving also, we created it to let me just stand somewhere else. So okay, it's detecting. And then while moving, you can actually fire the paintball. As it does the detection work for you, you can do the trigger work. Okay. So that is my final project for DPJ391U. I hope you've enjoyed it, and thank you very, very much for this chance. Thank you.